Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Aditi Gupta. I am here to share with you a very important thing. Often enough, it is said to us that be happy, stay positive, don't be angry, don't be fearful, don't be in negative emotions. So, what is it that makes an emotion good for you or bad for you, and why? Some emotions have low frequency, and some of the emotions have high frequency. They are at high frequency. And for you, it is good to stay in high frequency. That's why the emotions which are in low frequency, since they are not good for you, that's why they are called negative emotions. And emotions which are in high frequency, because they are good for you, so they are called as positive emotions. The more or the higher is the frequency of an emotion, the better it will be for you. The more you stay in high frequency emotions, the better will be your mood. So, when you stay in high frequency emotions, your mood will be very good. You will be thinking in a positive manner, in a right manner, and you will attract the people and the situations that are at high frequency. Because in this world, everything has frequency. Everything. The things which are at low frequency are not good for you, and those that are at high frequency are good for you. But you will be able to attract high frequency only if you are yourself at high frequency. Now, these emotions normally they are studied between the frequency of 0 hertz and 1000 hertz. 200 hertz is considered to be threshold frequency, meaning that the emotions which are at a frequency which is less than 200 hertz are low frequency emotions and considered negative. And the emotions which have a frequency that is 200 hertz or higher than 200 hertz, they are considered as positive emotions. They are good for you and they are high frequency emotions. Now, the 200 hertz frequency, that is the frequency of emotion of courage. Low frequency emotions are fear, shame, guilt, anger, jealousy, and positive emotions or high frequency emotions are love, joy, forgiveness, acceptance, gratitude, these kind of emotions. If you consider the frequency of love, then it is 500 hertz. Remember, our threshold was at 200 hertz, that is the frequency of courage. And the frequency of love, unconditional love, divinely love, is 500 hertz. Now, the frequency of gratitude is highest, that is 700 hertz, because after 700 hertz, that is between 700 and 1000 hertz, is the frequency of enlightenment, moksha prapti. And if you consider forgiveness, it is at 350 hertz. Coming to low frequency or negative emotions, the lowest frequency is that of shame or guilt. It is 20 hertz only. Yes, they are the most negative emotions, being in shame or guilt. The frequency of fear is 100 hertz, And similarly, there are other frequencies for other emotions. If you want to know the details of this, which frequency, which emotion, then I have posted a link in the YouTube description box. You can visit that link and know it. If there's anything else you want to talk to me about, please comment. And I'm a life and business coach and strategist, and from time to time, my workshops are there, online workshops. Many of them are free also. If you want to join them, you can contact me, either comment on this video or contact me through my website. My website is theaditigupta.com. That is theaditigupta.com. Everything is given in description box, you can see. And before ending this video, I would like to pray to this universe that it always keeps you healthy, makes you prosperous, wealthy, and gives you success in life, and may you always stay close to Mother Nature. With this prayer, I sign off. Thank you.